Can these ones work? They have to be a little bit long. I think because my steps are not that accurate, you can say it's around 10 meters if I'm not wrong. And 10 meters is good enough. Can these ones work? They have to be a little bit long. And these ones work. Yeah, this one's will do. This one's will do. Can see something of this sort. Something like this can do. So this one is the one I'm going to tie on the what is it called? I'm going to tie on this stick here. So first I'm going to remove the leaves. Remove the leaves completely so that it doesn't become a hindrance. So just for it to look good. Remove leaves. I thought that was my cameraman. We're going to remove leaves here. Going to remove here. So you can see this length. This is good length right here. So that, let's say for example, the trap is somewhere there. You stay like right here, and then as I was saying, so let's say the trap is somewhere like far, or if you think that it's not enough, you can just add it like funga. You can just tie it like in knots, so that it will be like something like very, very long. So for that reason, I'm going to be looking for more. So I've gotten another one. I'm going to tie them. I'm going to tie them. I hope you can see how I'm making a knot. Two of them joined, a little bit joined. And then you do this. So that's how you make a knot. You can see it's a little bit strong because the box is not that heavy. It will work. Let me test it so that you see if it's something very. So when a bird approaches, like let's say you've tied the rope and the box is right there, and the bird approaches, so we're going to add the last piece. I'm going to add the last piece. I want it to be a little bit longer. I'm going to add the last piece. Removing them. So make sure you remove these ones. But it's just for aesthetics, nothing more. So that at least it looks professional. So something of this sort. as I had shown you earlier. Match them like this, the two of them, and then like this, like this, like this. If it doesn't work, just try again, like that. I think that will work. So you can see. So I think this one is enough. This one will work. This one will work effectively. You can say I think it's around, you can say it's around, put it there. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think because my steps are not that accurate, you can say it's around 10 meters, if I'm not wrong. And 10 meters is good enough.